What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? I'm back because I want to show you guys I have a campaign going for the Postcard Tycoon, okay, going out this week. But I have a summer special, okay, where I'm featuring the Postcard Tycoon for the summer. I'm giving everybody that joins me 500 extra leads on pill and stick labels, okay? The company gives you in your starter kit when you join the Postcard Tycoon 250 postcards and 250 leads, okay, to get you started. It also, it also includes a website, a personal website with your name and number on it, okay? So to sweeten the deal for the summer, I've got something I'm offering where I'm giving you 500 extra leads. So that's going to give you 750 leads to kickstart the Postcard Tycoon. I like to call this a business in a box offline. When you think about it, that's what you have. Out the gate, they're giving you 250 people to mail your postcards to, and they're giving you 250 postcards. Okay? Now, what they do with this that I super duper love is they offer what they call a 5 for Life bonus. Okay? The 5 for Life bonus consists of after every fifth sale, the company, WTM, is going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. That's powerful, guys. That's after every fifth sale. Okay? Over and over and over and over again. So this is the perfect offline business where you don't have to learn internet marketing. You don't have to do any of those things, okay? Just mail these proven postcards. I've been an affiliate for this company, WTM, since 2016, okay? And it's still going, okay? Going strong, I may add. So let me just show you what I got going on. Check this out. Right here, you will see I've got these already labeled. All I've got to do is put my stamps on it. Now check this out. I've got 10 rolls. I've put 100 on these already back here in the back. Okay, so 100 is right there, already labeled and stamped. And then right here, as you can see, there's 3 rolls. Now in each roll, there is 100 stamps. Okay, now I have these stickies on here because I don't want to reveal these people's addresses. Okay, so there's 3, there's 6, there's 9. That's 900 stamps. That's 1,000 postcards, okay? So the other 100 is back there. So that's 100 back there plus your 9 here. So that's 1,000 postcards, and I've got the 1,000 stamps, okay, to go out. All right, so I am definitely serious about what I do when it comes to direct mail. I've been doing it, 8 years, going on 8 years now, okay? So this is 1,000 postcards, 1,000 stamps going out for the Tycoon, okay? We're going to do this again, okay? We're going to do this each month, all right? So get started with me. Get you 500 extra leads by joining my team in the Postcard Tycoon, which is going to give you a grand total of 750 leads to get you started with this business, okay? So go to the postcarddiva.com, get signed up, fill out the order form, print it out, okay? Now it's going to cost you $4.98 to get started in the program, okay? The program pays out $300 per sale, guys, okay? That's nothing to sneeze at. $300 a pop. No pass-ups, no one-ups, none of that. It's automatic. Every time someone goes and signs up, you get 300 bucks, okay? And the company gives you a website that people are going to go to get signed up. So you're going to send in 2 money orders, one for $300 in my name, and then one for $198 in the company WTM's name. You mail them both to the address that's going to be on the website, and then they forward our commissions out to us, okay? So mail them priority so that you can get a tracking number. When you get to the post office, tell them you want to mail it priority. No signatures required, just a priority mail and you get your tracking number, then you can track it and see when it gets to WTM's office. Once it gets there, they're going to mail out your kit. You're going to be started. You can get started literally in this business with pretty much in 2 days. They'll have you set up, and they'll mail you your postcards, your 250 postcards, your 250 leads. Then I will follow up with my 500 leads, and I'm going to give you my marketing resources, okay, as well as my one-on-one ongoing support, which is what you're going to need to get through this. Because there's times where you may be discouraged. You'll be able to contact me or find out what you need to do differently. I have all the different mailing list companies that you will be able to have access to as well. Now, one of my main ones, you can go check it out right now to get some leads, www.buyerleads.info. Go get you some buyer leads, mail out your postcards, get started. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.